We're at Vincent Corporation. It's the 16th of February 2021, and we're going to use this Model TP4 screw press to see if we can squeeze any water out of this stuff. We think it's fermented Parmesan cheese, and it tends to go like mashed potatoes, but we might get some water to squeeze out of this. It may be bound water that we can't squeeze out. I've got the discharge cone open, screw turning 18 RPM, and I'm going to turn the cone in, and that's the discharge door in this press. The screen has a very tight slot width, 0.006 of an inch. And here you see the screw turning. We're running the press with a variable frequency drive. And feeding nicely. We have an enlarged inlet hopper on this press. These are the resistor teeth between the 4 stages of compression. There's some water coming out. Okay, now we're getting some action. We'll see if this cone opens up. Hey, we're getting water out. I couldn't get it out with my fist, and look at it coming out right here. It's channeling. So I'm going to cut down the speed a little. Well, I cut down the speed, and now I open the cone. Let a little material press out. Run the cone back in. Maybe to stop the channeling, get a little better dewatering. And that foam you just saw is foam that we put in the press to clean it out. A little bit of foam coming through. Okay, we're still getting some water out here. Not a whole lot, but I'll make sure the screen doesn't get blinded on us and stop dewatering altogether. Cake still coming out despite I did slow down the speed. Good, I'm going to start a timed capacity test, switching out the pail. Tending the bridge there?
No, just checking it.
Oh, hunting for stuff. Okay. And we're getting dewatering. We're getting cake. There's our 2.7 tare weight on that tub and 2.2 on that tub, collecting press liquor and press cake. Screen's not blinded. We're getting a pretty steady flow of press liquor coming through there. It's not a whole lot, but might be enough to be important. Okay. View of the action. The screw is now going 10 RPM. And water continues to come out through the screen. Not a whole lot of flow. At least it's steady. The screen's awfully tight. Cake coming out. That is 0.006 on that screen is tight. Cake coming out. Going into our pail and pail. Okay, here we are doing working on the screw. Actually, that was a machine job, and this is more like the screw department. So, pictures we're welding the screen, and here we're welding out a screen assembly. This is where we're welding out the frame of a press.